Hi, boys and girls. I would like to continue with the Hebrew alphabet, and here is just a little opportunity to practice. So I will point to the letter and let you pronounce it, and then I will pronounce it. A, V, G, D, H, V, G, V, D, V, A, H, V, A, H, V, D, G. Now with the sound makers or nekudot. A, Va, Ga, Da, Ha, Ba, Ga, Va, Da, Va, A, Ha, Va, A, Ha, Va, Da, Ga. That took 1.5 minutes, so you should not be concerned with spending a moment practicing. Here is some more. A, Va, Ga, Da, Ha, Va, A, Ba, Ga, Da, Ha, Va. Now I put together words with two letters. Av, Gad, Gag, Abba, Ba, Gav, Bag, Bad, Have, Hag, Do, Do, Dag, A, Ha, Va, Have, Av, Gad, Gag, Abba, Ba, Gav, Bag, Bad, Have, Hag, Do, Do, Dag, Ahava, Ahav, Have. And now we will begin to move ahead. The vowels. Okay, the vowels in Hebrew, or the sound makers, are in the letter, as you see in the bet, under, as you see the various vowels underneath, on top, you see the dot here in the corner. Besides, there is a vav with a dot in the middle of it. And this one we already learned, kamatz, the A sound, the A sound. This makes an A sound, and this makes an A sound. A, A. This is the O, O. A, A, O. A, Ha, Va. Ach, Chava. I think that this is out of sequence because there's two letters that we haven't learned yet. We come to new vowels, nekudot. We have the letter V, Vav, and if I would spell it, it would go like this, Vav. There is a dot under the Vav called the chirik, and that is pronounced V. We did that last time, as in David, V. And Cholam, O, Dod, Dod. And Shuruk, U, Dud, Dud. David, Dod, Dud. David, Dod, Dud. Here is a rule that most people don't know. In the Hebrew language, a consonant can only have one vowel. A consonant can only have one vowel. Here, the Daled has no vowel. This one does. The vowel has no vowel. If the Daled has no vowel, then the Vav is its vowel. The Vav is not a consonant. It's not V, it's O. It's a vowel. The Daled has no vowel. The Vav is a vowel, not a consonant. So it's Dud. Here the Dalet has a vowel, da, da, da. It has a vowel, therefore the Vav cannot be a vowel for the Dalet. The Vav has to be a consonant, da, vid. Here it's a vowel, dod. Here it's a vowel, dud. An important rule, most people don't know it. We're going on to 4 new letters in this video. First, the letter Zayin, Z, like Z in English, in written form, in script. This is the script, this is the printed form. Maybe the other font is easier to read it, and this font will be easier to read it as well. So let's look at it. Design, it has a line, kind of like a Vav, and a little crooked roof. A line with a little crooked roof. And this is a chet, it's up, across, down. And this is the written form, this is the print. So this would make, I'm sorry about this vowel, it shouldn't be here. This would make z, vuv, zvuv, zo, zu, zaz, ze, baz, gaz. Ach, this has to be a guttural sound. Not a hard French R, it's actually the letter chet. Ach, chad, chag, cha, 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 chav, chava. Zvub, zo, zo, zu, za, I can't make it out, ze, baz, gaz. Ach, chad, chag, cha, 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 chav. The last slide is 2 new letters. This letter is called in Hebrew tet, t sound, tet, and you have the 2 forms, the form that is printed and the form that is written. Please notice that this is an exception. Until now, all the letters began on top, down. This one is written down and up. Instead of up, top to down, this is down and up. T, t, y, y. Tov, tova, yad, dai, chaya. We're now ready for our first 4 phrases in Hebrew. 4 phrases. In English, the format is adjective noun. We say good boy. The noun is boy. The adjective is good. In Hebrew, it's the opposite. It's first the noun, then the adjective. So we have ach, which means brother, and tov means good. Good brother, ach tov. Good father, abba tov. Good fish, dag tov. a good animal, chaya tova. Please practice. First, I'm asking you to please write the letters. You have the first 10 letters done, Aleph to Yud. Practice them, write them each several times. Practice the vowels that you learned, A, O, U, E. A, O, U, E. And then practice reading as often as you can. 5 to 10 minutes a night. I promise you, in a month, you will be reading Hebrew. Good night.